Welcome to Casa Cafanetta.
Cheers to that.
Christening it with a wine, a Greek wine at that. We're on our hollybox, baby.
Yes, we are.
So it's a Greek cake. Did she say what it was?
No, I thought it was bread.
Yeah, it looks like bread. Will you open it?
Yes.
Ooh.
Oh, that smells good.
Oh, that looks good. What's it smell like?
Like, I don't know, smell that.
Oh. I don't know. Like orangey or...
With spices.
Yeah. Don't... No! Stop it. Stop! Maybe just...
Yeet. How fat a slice do you want?
Just a little bit. I just want to taste it. See, this is why butter knives just ain't gonna cut it. What the fuck are the knives, bro? Are you supposed to put anything on it or just eat it?
I don't know.
So the host's mother made this.
It smells pretty tasty.
Take a fat munch there.
Me?
Yeah.
Odd. But that'd be a nice bread. Doesn't taste like
With
a
butter?
cake. Yeah.
Very dry.
Why?
I feel like maybe it tastes like fruitcake without the fruit.
Like a boring brack.
Cheers to Greece.
Cheers to Greek. Cheers to Greek. Cheers to Greece.
Cheers to Greece.
Pretty baby.
Oh my god. No, stop. This is not. Oh my god. So yeah, we've been walking for about half an hour, maybe 40 minutes. Trying to find this bus station.
It's 34 degrees.
Okay, can we even get in here?
I don't know.
There must be a way around. Buses are in there. Oh jeez, it's moving. Oh. Fuck. Fuck. This is kind of off. Honestly, don't even know if we're going to Albania. So we're back in Greece. Do you want to explain why?
We're back in Greece because in Albania I'm an enigma. And they enjoyed staring at me too much.
And her ass, to be specific. We just didn't feel very safe over there. It was very lovely, very pretty, but you know, we got to do what's best for us. So we came back here early.
Back to Faliraki.
Yes, back to Faliraki. And we just ate mussels and souvlaki. As you can tell, it was mank. So yeah, on to the next place. Oh my god.
Gotta get that ooze. That low oozy bird.
Oh my god, how beautiful is she? I'm kind of dead. I'm kind of deceased on the floor. Yeah. Happily. Yeah. How's Hollybox been so far?
Hollybox has been fucking incredible. Look at baby.
It's just been so good to be travelling in a new country. It's my favourite place. And eating the best food. What was your favourite meal?
Salmon linguine.
Oof. Yeah, it's
Big
up there. I actually think it was my favourite too.
We love a yacht. We love a yacht. We love a yacht.